Hi, I'm Richard Hollis. I'm the editor of TOOLKit magazine. Today we're going to be looking at some advent calendars for some top tool manufacturers. We've got Draper tools here, Stahlwille and Sealey. These are advent calendars for December 2020. They're going to be part of a larger feature which you can find in the November-December issue of TOOLKit. Link down below in the description. And while you're there, why not give us a like and subscribe so you can find out when more videos are going to come out from us. Okay, let's get cracking. So the first advent calendar we're looking at is from British manufacturer Sealey. This one is actually the most affordable of the advent calendars that we're looking at. If you shop around, you should be able to pick this one up for around £35 to £40. So this one is very cute, I think. The front is elves fixing Santa's sleigh. That's adorable. On the back, you'll find a little bit more about the tools themselves, but we don't want to spoil the surprise. Let's dive in and see what we've got for ourselves. Okay, let's start at number one. This one's a doozy. So what you'll actually get is a 39-piece ratchet, socket and bit set. Now this is Sealey's Premier range, so this is just as good for professional tool users as it is for DIYers. Okay, so what have we actually got inside? Well, we have got a double-ended ratchet wrench here. So that is a 1/4 inch square drive at one end and hex at the other. And then we have got the bits, that's all color-coded here. We've got the sockets, of course. We have got the bit holder, the socket adapter, the bit driver down here, and of course, everyone's favourite at Christmas, the bottle opener, which you won't find in every advent calendar. Not forgetting, of course, we have a textile storage case up here. And now, by the power of video, God, I love doing that. So there we are. Folds away nice and handy in its own little textile case. Perfect for the glove compartment or for the toolbox. Nice and handy. And stepping up in size, we have the calendar from Draper Tools next. Draper, of course, who were 100 last year. So we've got a bit more of a colourful kind of modern graphic design on the front, quite colourful. I'm getting a bit of a disco vibe from that, I think. And on the back, we of course have all the tools, so you know what you're getting inside. So let's open that up now. Alright, so similar to the Sealey set, we have a set of bits here. That comes, of course, with the bit driver and the bit holder as well. But then instead of having a socket set, we have more of a general array of tools. So we start off here with the tape measure. That's very handy. That goes up to 2 meters there. Then, of course, we have the Allen keys. I don't imagine that you'll be needing any more Allen keys than that in your life. We also have the 2 pairs of pliers. We have the combination pliers and we have the diagonal pliers. And finally, of course, we have the adjustable wrench there. That's nice and handy. Now that comes with a hard case here, so once more with feeling. And that all packs away nice and neat in a small hard pack case there. Now the recommended retail price of this is £35. So as you can see, for that you get yourself a wonderful high quality set of hand tools. perfect for Christmas. And finally, we have an advent calendar from German manufacturer Stahlwille. This one I've really been looking forward to. It looks so different here. Not your traditional presentation for an advent calendar. This one actually comes as a box, and boxes within boxes as well. Now, this one is the most expensive of the advent calendars. Recommended retail value is about £150. So this one is aimed more towards the professional tool user than the amateur. So let's have a look and see what you get for your money. So, as seems traditional, the case comes first, day number 1, so that you've got somewhere to put your tools as you open the boxes. So that is your Stahlwille Advent Calendar set. That's 24 piece. You've got a pretty comprehensive set of tools here. You've got sockets that range from 24mm down to 8. I think that is going to cover you from the vast majority of jobs that you'll be doing. Obviously, you've got a set of bits as well, the extender and the fine-tooth ratchet. So anyone who knows the name Stahlwille, of course, knows that they are one of the top names in the business. You're going to get a very high quality set of tools. This is going to last you for years and years. It's particularly because the case that itself is very, very well insulated. This is going to take a lot of knocks on this fantastic hard case. The lock, I think, is just a little bit flimsy, but in general that is going to sit in the back of a van and take a lot of punishment. So that is what you'll get from Stahlwille. So there we have 3 advent calendar toolkits for the 2020 season. So we've been looking at price, the Sealey and the Draper Tools advent calendar, both recommended retail price of around £35 to £40. We looked at how much it will cost to put these sets together yourself. It comes to around about £60 for each. So you are actually making a good saving if you get these advent calendars. So for Sealey and Draper, I would say that either of these are equally useful for a professional or DIY tool user. Both of them are going to find both of these incredibly useful. The Sealey is a bit more of a specialist kit. It's bits and small sockets ranging from 5 to 13mm. That is going to do you for a lot of jobs. And of course the bottle opener as well. That's great for the Christmas season. That is going to sit perfectly in the glove compartment of your car. Take that anywhere. The Draper Tools kit, a bit more of a general kit there with your tape measure and your Allen keys and your pliers as well. Both of those are going to do you fantastically. The Stahlwille set, I think, is more exclusively focused to the professional tool user, coming in at £150, which is basically about as much as it's going to cost you to put that set together yourself. So that one is really aimed towards the professional tool user, but of course, you might not make much of a saving for the advent calendar, but you've got that fun factor as well for putting it together. So yeah, these calendars and more are going to feature in the November-December issue of TOOLKit magazine. We'll be putting together an advent calendar featuring more big names, including Vera. Make sure that you check that out. The link is going to be in the description. So hit the like and subscribe button as well for more great content. And from all of us here at TOOLKit, have a great Christmas.